Hello, dear viewers. Myself Zishan Ahmed. Welcome to our YouTube channel Medical Core. Dear viewers, in today's lecture, we will understand and discuss the very complicated and important disorders which are related to the alveoli, as alveoli is the major part of the lung. So these disorders will affect our lung system. The first disorder that affect our alveoli is pneumonia. Pneumonia is the infection and inflammation of the alveoli. Second, pulmonary edema. The buildup of the fluid in alveoli is called pulmonary edema. Third, alveolar hemorrhage. Hemorrhage means bleeding. So, alveolar hemorrhage, bleeding occurs into the alveolar spaces of the lungs. Lung adenocarcinoma. It is the cancer of the lungs, like non-small cell lung cancer or small cell lung cancer. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, and share the video.